Hello, my prepper posse. Getting ready for work at 1 o'clock. Just enjoying nature. It's a little cloudy today. Got the bus turned around though, thank goodness. So we get a real good view of the creek. I did want to talk about energy a little bit, because you know that propane has gone up closer to $5. So when you're paying $15.99, $16, now it's up to $20, $21. But to save even more, the refrigerator doesn't have to run. You know, when it's colder and for the winter months, I mean, ice is cheaper, I'm just saying. And when there's not as much sun, I don't want to go through as much propane during the winter. So it's something that I'm taking a look at. I don't know what's going to happen at the flea market tomorrow. We may or may not set up. I mean, we'll decorate. We'll see how I feel when I get off tonight. Around 8. Hope everybody's having a great day. Don't forget to play. See you.